Welcome, my name is MD Abu and I am from Bangladesh. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and watch others video.
Hey, hello and welcome. This is Abu Kalam. In this video, I am going to teach you how to exactly create an animation video using free method. So if you are beginner, don't worry, keep watch full video. Don't skip any second because every second are very important. At first, I am going to heygen.com. It's absolutely free video animation creator. You can create any video absolutely free. Just put your Gmail. You don't need any payment, you don't need any card requirement. So this is the interface you can see. So I'm going to create a video. You are able to create two type of video. Number one, landscape. Number two, portrait. So this video I'm going to explore you a landscape mode. I am just create here. Then this is a lots of free template. So I use example of this one. This is really good. So if you are able to create audio, text to speech and add your own audio, this does not matter. So I write here something, example of welcome. Just watching full video, don't skip any second. Okay, just I write this one, then I create a free text to audio. Just play script, wait 1 to 3 seconds, and you can see the magic of. Just play this video.
Welcome, my name is MD Abu and I am from Bangladesh LZ. Subscribe my YouTube channel and watch others video.
Just here is option is grab. Just I play again and again. You play again and again. When you satisfied,
welcome, my name is MD Abu and I am from Bangladesh. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and watch others video.
Oh, this is really good. And you have to change this vocal. Example of you need to female voice. Don't worry, just here. Go here. Here's lots of male and female voiceover artist.
Hello,
just
this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
Okay.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
Okay.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you
So
like it.
I like number one. Then if you want to, if you have your own voice, just click here. Then import your own voice. Then this image automatically talking your put. So don't worry. Here is audio script. Just record here. Then otherwise you are able to import your mobile or PC. Now this is really good. If you want to add a background, just click here. Here is lots of options. Here is lots of options. So I don't need any others changes. Just click for submit. Just I'm waiting. Even this video need to 9 seconds and credit left 1 minute. So when you create an account, this here you are able to got 1 minute free credit. It's absolutely free. You don't need any payment. You don't need any card requirement. Okay, I am wait a few seconds for processing this file. you are able to share this video Instagram and Facebook, TikTok, YouTube. Otherwise, you are able to create a Facebook, Instagram, TikTok reels here. It's absolutely free. But if you have enough money, I am suggest you just purchase a pro plan. Then this is a super easy to create your own video, then upload your TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook and others platform. Then you earn money, a handsome amount from this type of website and company.
Welcome, my name is MD Abu and I am from Bangladesh. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and watch others video.